Position fixing at sea is a crucial skill for any navigator. Today we'll explore the intercept method, a reliable technique to determine your exact location using a sextant, a nautical almanac, and site reduction tables. Let's dive in and see how this method works in practice.
First, gather all necessary tools: a sextant, a nautical almanac, and site reduction tables. Start by taking a sighting of a celestial body using the sextant. Record the exact time and angle of the sighting. Next, refer to the nautical almanac to find the position of the celestial body at the recorded time. Use the site reduction tables to calculate your intercept and determine your line of position. Plot this information on your nautical chart. Repeat the process with a second celestial body to get a fix on your position. The intersection of the two lines of position is your exact location.
Now let's see the intercept method in action. Picture yourself at sea, using the tools we've discussed to determine your location. You take a sighting of the sun at noon, record the data, and follow the steps outlined earlier. You then take a second sighting of a star at twilight. By plotting these lines of position on your chart, you confidently pinpoint your location. This method is not only accurate, but also a cornerstone of traditional navigation skills.
In summary, the intercept method is a reliable and accurate technique for position fixing at sea. By mastering the use of a sextant, nautical almanac, and site reduction tables, you can confidently determine your location using celestial bodies. This skill remains an essential part of traditional navigation, ensuring safe and precise voyages across the ocean.